Finally got this thing roughly put together. I'm going to figure out something for a seat. And one main thing is aligning the shaft with the back wheel. I might just need to make a jack shaft. So I just got the motor painted up red. Looks pretty nice, got it all cleaned up. And I need to paint the tank red too. And this chrome tip right here, I might have a muffler that'll fit it perfectly or be the same diameter. So let's go grab it. I'm going to have to steal the muffler off the weed eater scooter. It's meant for a 200cc motor. And I just use it on there. It should be right there. Let's grab it. Okay, so I got the muffler here. And I thought I'd just be able to slide right inside, but it's basically the same diameter. So, but just welding it to a pipe clamp that's clamped onto this. For the fuel tank, it's just pretty simple. Paint it the same color, this red, which I need to prime it because then that'll show through the paint. The decal will show through the paint, which I cannot get that off. But yeah, it should be pretty simple. Just got the tank all painted up, and I'm gonna pull off all the tape and see how it looks. The motor and the fuel tank finally match. I'm gonna decide if I want to put decals on this or how I want to design it, but matches really good. Minibike frame going. CJ's e-bike and my e-bike. That's not good. What? To have while you're drilling is the string of your sweatshirt. It's caught. I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I'm really happy with how this frame turned out. It still does need painted so it doesn't rust again. We still need to figure out the front wheel situation because we do not have a front wheel that fits in between those forks. Otherwise, it's just order parts and put it all together.